In this quick tutorial, I will show you content aware move tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump on it. So I am now inside Adobe Photoshop, and content aware move tool, it is located here, and you can access from it, which keyboard shortcut is J. So this tool actually moves. You can change a part of an image, and which part you shifted, the left behind part will be filled automatically with content aware behavior. So if you want to select, you can see it is work as lasso tool. Okay, it is work as lasso tool. So I am Ctrl D, I am accessing it again. So it is work as lasso tool, but if you hold down Alt, then it will work as polygonal lasso tool. You can see that polygonal lasso tool work like here. So and Ctrl D, I am pressing Ctrl D. So I want to move these barbed wires from here to here. So you can see I am select lasso tool, and I want to move it from here. So I am selecting it and moving it here. So I am aligning it. Okay, and you see this area has been properly filled up. Very good job by Photoshop. And this is moved to this place. So mode here is, you already know this. I have told about this tool selection method. Now two types of method. One is move and one is extend. And structure 3 is color 4. Structure mean if you want to keep the structure properly, so you can higher the structure. Also color matching, higher will adapt color and lower will not take care so much. So I am Ctrl J-ing it. So now I want to show you the extend. So I am again clicking. You can see I am placing here, and it will copy this as like paste tool I mentioned in the previous video. You can see the extend tool is the copy of the part. So this is the basic difference between extend and move. You already structure and colors I have mentioned. Same for all layers. If you can work in empty layer with this tool, which is not possible in patch tool. So if you click here, and I want to move this mushroom from here to here. I have move mode selected, and you can see it is working. If I move, you can see it is working. If I increase the color now within the selection, it is adapting the color. Okay, so if you not deleting the selection area, it will work fine if you work with structure and color. So this is structure I have, and this is keeping structure strictly for mode. Okay, another option is transform on drop. I am get back to this layer, main layer, transform on drop. So transform on drops mean if I move this mushroom from here to here, it will show you the bounding box. You can increase or decrease the size of the mushrooms, and accepting it, it will move from here. So that's all for this content move tool. I hope you learned something from this quick tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep it.